Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to activate on-screen keyboard on laptop. Firstly, click the Start, which is the Windows icon, and select Settings. In Settings, select Ease of Access, then scroll down on the left panel, then click Keyboard. Under Use your device without a physical keyboard, toggle the switch on. The on-screen keyboard will appear on your screen. You can now type using your mouse or touch screen. The second method, you can press the Windows key plus Control plus O to quickly turn on the on-screen keyboard on or off. Press the Windows key plus R to open one and you can type OSK, then press enter and this will immediately launch the on-screen keyboard. To turn it off, just click the X button on the on-screen keyboard or follow the first method to switch the toggle off. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.